AI is here to take everybody's jobs. That's what I keep hearing. Everybody is talking about how AI is killing creativity. But here is what nobody is saying. AI can't replace brand strategy. It can only amplify it. So what is the real problem? Tools have changed. The expectations are now way higher. But the fundamentals stay the same. Now, most brands still feel off. Not because of bad design, but because of a lack of alignment and identity, but most important, because of emotion, because of the human aspect. Here are 3 ways AI is actually impacting brand design. So number 1, speed kills clarity. AI speeds everything up. Now that speed can often lead to superficial design unless your brand strategy is very clear. Copycat branding is easier than ever. Tools like Midjourney or AI templates makes it so much easier to make thousands of lookalikes. Now, that means that standing out means being intentional. Number 3, the new role of the designer is now being a creative director plus strategist. Today, designers are the editors, curators, and narrators more than ever. AI acts like your intern, but you are the one that makes it meaningful. If you're a founder or a creative, here is what matters the most. Don't start with prompts, start with purpose. Build your brand around who you really are and let AI help you support that story. AI or any tools that you have access to. Now, ask yourself these 3 questions. What emotion should your brand always evoke? What's the visual language that best supports your mission? Is it just trends? And last, where do you want people to see you? And how should that feel? AI won't save your brand, but the right brand strategy plus AI, that's the magic. It's so important nowadays, more than ever, to learn these new tools, AI. AI is the future, and we have to adapt to it, but also use it to our benefit. And not forget, especially for those creators watching this video, you are the curator. Remember, you are the one that will gather all the pieces from AI, from what you see online or from your own experience, will put it together to create that unique piece for that brand. And there's something I heard from Dan Martell, and is nowadays, or the future is for the directors, not the doers. Again, the future is for the directors, not the doers. You, as the creative or the founder, you are the one that will guide these tools to help you get the outcome that you want. But you need to put that human touch on it to stand out. And that's reality. AI, we need AI as much as AI needs humans like us to add that human touch to it, that emotion, that empathy. So I think it's not one or the other one, I think it's both. If you found value in this video, please share it, subscribe for more videos coming up. Thank you.